In this video, we're going to look at Fibonacci sequences. So in each of the examples, if you wish to try the question yourself, you can pause the video, then I will go through my work solutions. Okay, so first of all, what do we mean by a Fibonacci sequence? It basically means we add the two previous terms to find the next term in the sequence. So if we take the sequence of 2 and 5, for example, 2 plus 5 would give me 7. 5 plus 7 would give me the next term 12, and 7 plus 12 will give me the next term 19. Now this is known as a Fibonacci sequence. Now if we want to find the next term after that, we're going to do 12 plus 19, which is going to be 31, 19 plus 31, which is going to be 50, 31 plus 50 is 81, 50 plus 81 is 131, and 81 plus 131 is 212. So we end up with 2, 5, 7, 12, 19, 31, 50, 81, 131, and 212. So these are the terms of this particular Fibonacci sequence. Here's the next example. The 6th and 7th terms of a Fibonacci sequence are 31 and 50 respectively. What are the first two terms of the sequence? So if you want to try this question, you can pause the video. When you're done, I will go through my work solution. Okay, welcome back. So we don't know what the first term is. So in maths, we can give it a letter. I'm going to call it A. I'm going to say the number after A is going to be the letter B. So we've got the first two terms. So we're going to do A plus B. The next term will be A plus B. Then I'm going to add these two terms together to give me an A plus 2 lots of B. So we get A plus 2B. Then add these two terms together. So A plus A will give me 2A. Now B plus 2B will give me 3B. Then we're going to do A plus 2B plus 2A plus 3B. So A plus 2A is 3A. And then we get 2B plus 3B is 5B. So now we're going to get the next term, which is going to be 2A plus 3A is going to be 5A. 3B plus 5B is 8B. Then we're going to add 3A and 5A together. That's going to give me 8A. And 5B and 8B will give me 13B. Now we can check how many terms we've got all together. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I've got 8 terms. Okay, so what we do know is that the 6th and 7th term, so 5A plus 8B, and then this is the 7th term, that is equal to 50. They've told me that in the question. And the 6th term, which is here, 3A plus 5B, is equal to 31. So now we have a simultaneous equation, and we know how to solve something like this. So remember, we need to make the b's the same. So I'm going to times the top equation by 5 and times the bottom one by 8. So what that does, it makes the coefficient of b to be the same. So we get 25a plus 40b equals to 250. So 3a times 8 is 24a plus 40b. And then we need to do 31 times 8. That will give me 248. So that's equal to 248. So I can minus the two equations. So I get a equals to 2. And we're going to sub a equals 2 to find out what b is. So I'm going to say 5 bracket 2 plus 8b. Now that's equal to 50. That gives me 10 plus 8b equals to 50. We can solve a linear equation like this. minus 10 on both sides. And we end up with 8b equals 40. Divide by 8 on both sides. So b equals to 5. Here's another question for you to try. You can pause the video, and when you're done, I will go through my work solution. Okay, welcome back. So what do we know? A Fibonacci sequence has a second term 20 and fifth term 80. Find the first term. So let's say the first term is A, the second term is B, then the next term is A plus B, then the next term after that is going to be A plus 2B, and take these two terms together, we add them, A plus A is 2A, B plus 2B is 3B, so I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms in my sequence. So the fifth term, 2a plus 3b, don't forget first, second, third, fourth, and fifth term respectively. So 2a plus 3b is equal to 80. We've been told that. And the second term, which is b is equal to 20. So this is quite easy. We can do a substitution. So we can say 2a plus 3 times 20, that's the value of b, is equal to 80. And then we can solve for this now. So we can say 2a plus 60 equals to 80, minus both sides by 60. And then we end up with 2a equals to 20. Divide both sides by 2. So a equals to 10. And that's the first term.